Join us today as we go from Chengdu, China, back to New Zealand. Yep, that's right, we're coming back to New Zealand. Today we're just going to be bringing you along with on our travel. We got a flight, we got an Airbnb, we got some camping, and we got some food. So you guys aren't going to want to miss it. We'll take you guys to when we got at the airport in Chengdu. So right now we're at the airport in Chengdu, catching up with you guys where this journey all started. I'm probably going to be super tired when I film that intro. Hopefully, maybe it's after I sleep some. We're just repacking the bags right now. We just needed to move a couple things around to make it easier to carry on our carry-on bags, if that makes any sense. We got to go get these bags checked in now. This one, oversized tent. So hopefully there's no problem with it. I'll catch back up with you guys after I get everything checked in. Alright, and so just like that, we just got through security, got the bags checked, cleared customs, all that fun stuff. But not really just like that, that's all you guys see. So what happened when we went to check the bags is I needed a return ticket from New Zealand to leave New Zealand. So I had to book another flight ticket out of New Zealand, which I didn't know because last time I entered New Zealand, I was entering under different conditions. But now I do know. If you guys are watching this and you plan on visiting from a visa-free country, you probably got to do that too. I'm ready to get back to New Zealand. Although China is awesome, super cool country. I love China. I've got more China content coming. So if you guys like that, keep watching. If you guys don't watch the China content, go watch it because it's the best content I've put out. We found our gate, but we want to get something to eat because we are pretty hungry. And there is a 7-Eleven convenience store inside of this airport. So we are definitely going to pick out a couple things here. What are you gonna get?
This one, I never tried.
I really like this alien energy drink. It's just kind of like a flavored electrolyte water. Chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
Okay, we get one.
Could we get one of each of the flavor?
Yeah.
And the sausage?
Yeah.
Okay. For 57.6 yuan, we got a couple different chicken skewers, different flavors, 2 cups of noodles, a drink, and some chocolate cake.
Spicy sausage.
热水请小心使用，热水请小心使用。
It's 1:22 a.m. and now it is finally time for us to get on the plane. Hopefully we can get some sleep on this flight, right?
Yeah.
I bet you will be able to. We're tired. So far I'm about 2 hours into the flight and I haven't been able to sleep at all even though I've tried. I don't think I'm going to get any sleep. I can never manage to fall asleep on an airplane, ever. They just serve some food and that's not it. I'm not eating it. It's rice porridge, and rice porridge is probably my least favorite Chinese food I've had. Of course, after that last clip of me complaining, I fall asleep on the plane. I swear, probably the past 15 flights I've been on, I haven't been able to sleep once, no matter how tired I was. Now there is only about 3 hours left. Having fun so far?
Yeah.
What's the best thing about the flight?
Sleep.
She slept even more than me. What are you most excited for in New Zealand?
Lose weight.
You're losing weight. I mean, it's a good thing, but I wouldn't say I'm excited to lose weight. Yeah, we're both gonna try and lose some weight on this trip. In China, we ate way too much good food. Way too much, every day.
Yeah.
You don't look too excited for your food. It doesn't look too appetizing. And it probably doesn't taste too good either. It's airplane food. Our plane just landed. We're obviously not allowed to record going through customs or any of that. We're going to catch up with you guys after we get out of the airport. Just kidding, we forgot that we had the slice of cake that we bought at the last airport, and we need to eat that before we go through customs and biosecurity. That's good for a 7-Eleven cake. We'll see you guys outside of the airport. Now, it's dark out. Wasn't when we landed. Took about an hour to get through security, everything. Just took a while to get the huge bag, the tent. We're not camping tonight. We're gonna go head to an Airbnb And I gotta go get my car first, of course, otherwise I'm not gonna be able to get to the Airbnb or go camping after that.
Yeah.
Was it a good flight?
Yeah.
Yeah, sleep good? I'm surprised. We normally don't sleep good on the flight. What time is it?
8 p.m.
We got the car. We got a 15-minute drive to get to our Airbnb for the night. It's just as full as it was when we left. Bedroom here. Kitchen. Nice little bathroom. An office, and it even has a computer inside with some movies and stuff. What do you think about the Airbnb?
It's good.
Good?
So clean.
Yeah, very clean looking. Everything's white and it's clean. That's how you know it's really clean. Already back in the car? Yes, I know. We're gonna be back in the Airbnb, but we gotta run to New World before they close. We definitely gotta get some apples.
It's so expensive, everything.
Compared to China, yeah.
How much for this?
China really spoiled us with the prices of these things. It's so expensive here compared to China. Every country is expensive compared to China. A couple of my favorite energy drink, but being healthy, so I'm not gonna get the regular, gotta get the 0 sugar one. I like the original rice crackers. There may have been a couple unhealthy things that ended up in the cart. Some fries, chips if you're from New Zealand, and some fried chicken, and yeah, last unhealthy meal. They have Celsius here now? I love Celsius. 2 for $4 on the Pepsi, I think is cheap.
Yeah.
Just regular Pepsi?
And this
Could we get the raspberry no sugar?
Up to you. I get original one.
If you guys want to call this healthy, you can. I'll leave it up to you. But we're calling it healthy. It was $36.54 for all this stuff, and she's already eating my healthy food. Do you like it? We're exhausted, so we're going to cook up these pieces of chicken and fries as fast as we can. We're super tired, so we're just gonna eat this food, then go to sleep. I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Even though no time's passed for you, it is now 10 a.m. the next morning. We're already supposed to be out of here. Don't want to get charged extra. Gotta get going now. Head to the campground. Well, we might have a couple stops on the way to Shakespeare Regional Park. First stop, we're at Sylvia Park, and we're gonna go to a couple stores here. Maybe only one. Now we're at Pack and Save. Total for all this stuff is $18.69. Taiping Asian Supermarket. And in total for all this stuff, it was $22.65. Now we are done shopping, and we're going to put these in the car and head to the campground. It definitely doesn't look like the best weather right now to go camping either, but we're just gonna be camping all around. And it's raining right now. Nice. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys at the campground. I absolutely love this park. This is actually the first place that I camped when I came to New Zealand. Since there's 2 people, we had to upgrade the setup a little bit. We're getting it set up still, but we have a tent to connect to the car. That way all the stuff that's in the back seat we can put in the tent and we sleep in the car. If that makes any sense. Yes, the weather is decent right now. It does look cloudy off in the distance, but I hope it just stays clear until we at least get our stuff set up. We've been unpacking a little bit more. We put everything in the tent or in the vehicle. It's starting to rain, that's why we moved everything. But we don't know really where to start. There's like no room at all even to stand just where I am right now. We have this running off of a power bank. This is a mess. What do you think we're gonna do with everything?
We will find out.
Well, eventually.
Just sleep first.
We went to the beach and got some cockles. You're allowed to take them for free here. You don't need a license or anything. And we're about to cook up some dinner. Super excited for this. Freya's already started cooking some. Let's see what she's got going on here. We've got the eggs and sesame oil. And then we're also going to have some of those cockles that you guys saw me get. Noodles and some fresh vegetables. I'm so hungry. Hopefully this doesn't take long. Are you hungry?
Not too much.
You didn't even eat anything today. Why are you not so hungry?
No reason, I'm not hungry.
And dinner is done being cooked by this girl right here. Thanks for cooking the dinner. You want to add some spice to your food? I'm going to let you guys know really quick how it is, and then we got to try the cockles too. These noodles, super good. Don't know if it's just because I'm so hungry right now, but I think it's because Freya did a good job.
It's a little sweet.
Sweet? Alright, so here is one of those. We only grabbed a few just to try them for the first time, and all we did was boil them. Very small meat in them, but free.
Good.
That's really good. I wasn't expecting them to be sweet, like you said. Next time, we're definitely gonna get those again. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you aren't already. I've got plenty of great future content coming for you. Definitely a couple more New Zealand videos and a lot more travel content, for sure. Leave a comment, what was your favorite part of this video? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, have a good one.